Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like something was just off? Like you got dressed, you put in the effort, but somehow the outfit isn't doing you justice. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. And I want you to know it is not about your body, it is not about your age, and it is definitely not about your beauty. Most of the time, it comes down to a few simple dressing habits that are quietly working against you. Today, we are talking about 5 dressing mistakes that so many Black women over 50 are making without even realizing it. And more importantly, I am going to show you exactly how to fix each one so you can start walking out the door every single day feeling confident, polished, and completely yourself. Stay with me because number 3 is the one that surprises almost everyone. Mistake number 1, holding on to clothes that no longer fit the body you have right now. Now, I know this one can feel emotional. Maybe you have pieces in your closet from years ago that you love, pieces that carry memories, pieces you're hoping to fit back into one day. I completely understand that. But here's the truth. Wearing clothes that are too tight or too loose send a signal, and that signal is not the one you want. When your clothes are too tight, they pull, they bunch, and they actually make you look larger than you are. When they are too loose, they swallow your shape and add bulk where you do not want it. Your body is beautiful right now, today, not 10 pounds from now. The best thing you can do for yourself is dress the body you have. Find pieces that skim your figure, that move with you, that let you breathe. When your clothes fit properly, everything about your appearance improves instantly. So go through that closet. If it doesn't fit today, it doesn't serve you today. Donate it, alter it, or let it go. Mistake number 2, and this one is so common, is avoiding color altogether. So many women over 50 gravitate toward black, gray, and navy because they feel safe. And yes, neutrals are absolutely essential. I'm not telling you to throw them out. But if your entire wardrobe is dark and muted, you're actually doing yourself a disservice. Here's what you need to know. As we age, our skin tone can begin to look a little more tired, especially in certain lighting. Rich, warm colors placed near your face, think deep plums, warm terracotta, rich jewel tones, and warm corals, can brighten your complexion and make you look radiant and alive. Black women especially are blessed with the ability to wear bold, saturated colors beautifully. Deep emerald green, burnt orange, royal blue, these colors were practically made for our skin tones. Start small if you need to. Add a colorful scarf, a statement blouse, or a bold bag. Let color work for you, not against you. By the way, if you are finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Every week I share style tips specifically for Black women over 50 who want to look and feel their absolute best. You do not want to miss what is coming next. Mistake 3, ignoring the power of proper undergarments. Now, here is mistake number 3, the one I promised would surprise you, and that is neglecting your undergarments. I know, it is not the most glamorous topic, but listen, your foundation literally shapes everything that goes on top of it. A bra that does not fit correctly, shapewear that rolls or pinches, underwear that shows through your clothing, these things quietly ruin an otherwise beautiful outfit. As our bodies change after 50, the undergarments that worked for us at 35 may not be doing the job anymore. Your bra size can change, your body shape shifts, and that means your foundation needs to shift with it. Get professionally fitted for a bra if you have not done so recently. Invest in a few good pieces of smoothing shapewear if you like that look. And always check the back view before you leave the house. The right undergarments are invisible to everyone else, but you'll feel the difference immediately. Mistake number 4, Dressing for who you used to be, not who you are now. This one is subtle, but it's powerful. Some women hold on to a style identity from their 30s or 40s and refuse to evolve. Others go the opposite direction and dress in a way that feels appropriate for their age but does not reflect who they actually are inside. Here's what I want you to hear. Your style should evolve with you. That does not mean giving up what you love. It means refining it. It means asking yourself, does this still feel like me? Does this represent the woman I am becoming? Maybe you used to love very trendy, fast fashion pieces, but now you want something with more substance. Maybe you always played it conservative, but now you're ready to be a little bolder. Both of those are beautiful evolutions. Give yourself permission to step into the woman you are today and let your wardrobe reflect her.
Mistake 5. Overlooking fit in favor of size on the label. The fifth mistake, and this one ties everything together, is caring too much about the size on the label. The size number means absolutely nothing. Nothing. Sizing is completely inconsistent across brands, and it always has been. A size 14 in one brand fits completely differently than a size 14 in another. Chasing a number does not serve you. What matters is how the garment fits your body. Does it sit well on your shoulders? Does it skim your waist without pulling? Does it fall cleanly over your hips? Those are the questions that matter. Stop squeezing into a smaller size because of how it makes you feel on the tag. If you need to size up to get the right fit through the shoulders or the bust, do it. A tailor can always take in the waist. A well-fitting garment in a larger size will always look better than a too tight garment in a smaller one. Dress for your shape, not for a number. So there you have it, 5 dressing mistakes that could be quietly holding you back, and 5 simple ways to start fixing them today. Here is your reminder. You are not too old to look amazing. You are not past your prime. You are in one of the most powerful, most beautiful seasons of your life, and your style should say exactly that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It truly helps this channel grow. And if you know another Black woman over 50 who could use this encouragement today, share this video with her. I will see you in the next one.